That's so pretty.
Because when the boy started to doodle, he got lots of ideas.
Here, let me help you. Give me your hand.
You got it.
Oh, you got it.
So my question is, how do I figure out what to draw for my
What color's your ring, Rose?
And the answer is doodle. I get it. Maybe if I start to doodle, I'll come up with a great
Can I
idea
borrow
too.
your ring?
Let's go try.
What color's your ring?
Purple.
All right, let me start.
Purple morado.
Is your ring
Here,
black?
a couple triangles. Here. That looks like it could be a monster.
Monster.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. A circle over here, then some lines down here. That looks like it could be a person. It could be Jack.